how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe blog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is steamed buns with chocolate filling. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 100 milliliter of lukewarm water with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/3 teaspoon of active dry yeast. We're just gonna soften it until until the yeast totally soften and fluffy. For the dry ingredients, this is 300 grams of flour with a tiny pinch of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt and half tablespoon of sugar. We're just gonna mix it. You can use spatula or your clean hand, it's up to you. And now that the yeast is ready or bloomed, we're gonna put it in the center, and then we're gonna add in or knead in 50 grams of unsalted butter. That's the yeast. Just mix it for a bit, just tiny bit, and then add in 50 grams of unsalted butter. Butter in. You can cut in the butter with your knife, spatula, or your hand, it's up to you. It's 50 milliliter of lukewarm water with 1 teaspoon of pandan paste. There you go. And we're gonna add this little by little to our dough later on once we knead. Once it's like this, add in your prepared pandan water little at a time, just enough that the mixture become a nice dough. Like so. Now cover with clean towel and let rest for half hour until to 1 hour. After resting, divide dough into 50 gram portions, and then we're gonna flat them and then fill them like so. And now we're just gonna flatten them. You can use rolling pin, or you can just stretch them left to side with your fingers, it's up to you, like so. And place a chocolate bar and then pull all sides to center and seam to seal, creating a ball or a round. Want to kind of do that so that it's kind of shaping it round if you can, like so. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, preheat your steamer, and then we're gonna steam these steamed buns also for 10 minutes. And when you're steaming them, you want to cover the lid or wrap the lid with clean towel so water doesn't drop to your buns. Again, steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, look at those lovely, fluffy, steaming buns. Just take out from the steamer, and you can serve it warm. But that one is sticky to the other. There you go, steamed buns. Pandan steamed buns with chocolate filling.